Hi, I'm Emily, professional makeup artist, and we're here today to show you this beach makeup using all vegan products. What I like to do before applying makeup is apply an SPF. This one's super high sun protection factor at 50, and it's also an anti-aging fluid. So I'm going to apply this just with my hands all around the face. My next step is really important, and this is going to illuminate the skin. I like to also apply this with my fingers, and I like to just put it in the areas that I want lots of shine. So I want it all around these cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose, a little bit on the cupid's bow, and that's just going to make any areas that the sun would naturally hit really stand out. I like to put a tiny little bit right on the brow bone as well and just blend that in. So because we're doing a beach look, we're not going to use any foundation, we're just going to use a little bit of concealer where necessary. This little compact is really helpful because there's two shades in it, so you've got a slightly lighter shade for underneath the eye and a slightly darker shade for any areas that you want to correct. If you struggle with any colour correction underneath the eye, there's also a really good one that has a purpling and a green for any acne blemishes or really dark circles. So we've chosen to use this gold shimmery eyeshadow, which is perfect for this look. So we're just going to do a really simple sweep right across the lid. And any little bits of fall down from the glitter, you can just get a fan brush and just wipe away. Now all we're going to do to finish off the eyes is keep it super simple with just a lick of mascara. And that's our eye look done. So my next step is to just take a cream bronzer on a big fluffy brush and just take it all around the outside of the face, anywhere you want to create a little bit more definition. So I'm just going to take it under the cheekbones. And it's really that simple. So my next step, I'm going to use this lip and cheek tint. I prefer to use this with my finger. So I just put a little bit on my ring finger and on the back of my hand and just pop a tiny bit on the apples of the cheeks and blend out towards the centre of the ear. Now by using the same shade on the cheek and the lip, it really ties the look together and finishes it off perfectly. So to finish off the makeup, we're just going to take a small brush. Because we've added all of this glow, we don't want to use a big brush and get rid of all the shine that we'd love there. And just go underneath the eye, anywhere you don't want any shine. For more vegan makeup looks, don't forget to subscribe. See you later.
See you.